Hi guys, and welcome to Shiel's Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious vegan tortellinis. I'm going to make them with a mushroom filling and I'm going to finish it off with a cashew nut based sauce. So, let's begin.
Start by mixing 400 grams of flour with 200 grams of water, 5 grams of turmeric and a pinch of salt. Now knead this into a nice elastic ball of dough. Place the ball in a bowl and cover it with plastic foil. Now let it rest for 1 hour in your fridge. Meanwhile, cut 150 grams of mushrooms in thin slices. Then heat up a pan and add a little bit of olive oil. Bake the mushrooms golden brown. Now clean 1 onion and cut it as well. Add them to the mushrooms. This with 2 pressed cloves of garlic. Then pour half a liter of vegetable broth in the pan and add 100 grams of cashew nuts. Reduce this till a third. Now pour it in a blender and mix it until it's a smooth sauce. Pour it in a saucepan and when necessary season it with some salt. After that, chop 300 grams of mushrooms in small pieces. Now bake till golden in a little bit of olive oil and salt. Then cut some parsley and add it to the mushrooms. Also add 2 tablespoons of the sauce. Mix this. Now roll out your pasta dough on a floured surface until it's about 2 mm thick. Cut it with a round cutter. Now use a brush to add a little bit of water. And portion the filling on the dough. Close the dough and make one end a little bit wet. Now press both ends together. Boil the tortellinis in salted water for about 2 minutes. Take them out of the water and add some olive oil. This prevents them from sticking. Pour 2 spoons of the sauce in a plate and add some of the tortellinis. Then also add some baked shiitake and some chopped parsley.
Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. So like it and share the results with the hashtag Shiel's Cooking because I can't wait to see them. Subscribe if you want to see more and see you next time. Bon appetit!